another vlog and welcome to Ahmedabad Diaries. So, good morning guys, and all decked up and all of that. And right now my mom and myself are about to go to Sabarmati Gandhi Ashram, which is very close to our hotel. So we are in the Uber rickshaw. So yeah, in the morning also at 11 o'clock it's so much of heat that it's so hot, it's unbearable, but it's okay. This is my OOTD. Yesterday I bought it from Law Garden. It's nice, it's cool, it's khaki cotton. It's beautiful though. My mom is getting scared. People over here are driving like anything. So, about to go to Gandhi Ashram. What Gandhi Bapu did for our country. So, let's go. Mom. My hottie mom. See. We came to the Gandhi Ashram to visit the ashram, but first thing my mom wanted to do was shopping. So she entered the Khadi Emporium. She doesn't want to visit the ashram. She wants to shop. She wants to shop. See what is she doing? See what is my mom doing, guys. Just look at her.
नहीं एक सेकंड नेविल आई एमाथी चॉइस कर कारण के तूने मीडियम नहीं आवसे लार्जेस्ट ले ऊपर से पकड़.
This is my OOTD, guys.
पकड़ अनिशा करनी.
Do you like this?
Or this? Which one?
The previous one.
Chalo,
Okay, bye. Sorry.
Thank you.
So guys, this is my OOTD. I don't think so you all will be able to see the down part, the pant. And in the middle my mom is like, show. What to do now? We came to the ashram to see. But no, my mom wants to shop for people. क्या करूँ मैं मेरी माँ का? बताओ guys. Do comment down below how do I look, guys. I took this jhumka, I took this outfit yesterday from Law Garden. I would recommend you guys to visit Law Garden. It's beautiful place for shopping. In this ashram is very big. There is a bookstore, there is a museum, there is a library, there is a lot of things. हाँ ચાલો મ્યુઝિયમ છે. મ્યુઝિયમ એન્ડ લાઇબ્રેરી આ સાઈડે છે. નીચે ઉતરવાનું છે. હા મ્યુઝિયમમાં બધું એવરને ખાતે લખેલું હશે. So yeah, but the heat.
Daddy wanted this towel. I should have given one to Humayun also.
This is the ashram. Guys, I will not be able to take all of the content in the ashram, but I will try as much as I can. उचकी लो उचकी उचकी लो અરે સનગ્લાસ
even જોઈએ લંડનથી પાછા આવેલા તો હવે અહીંયા આવીને મળ્યા અને પછી એવાને આઈ કેટલા પીરિયડ મેં ખાતા 15 વર્ષ મેં ખાતા પીપલ એમના આવીને અહીંયા મળતા હતા ને એમનું ગાઈડન્સ લેતા હતા તો that period was a very crucial period in his life.
યસ
આશ્રમની activities અહીંયા આવી જાઓ
મેં આજ હું આવું જ વાંચું જ
opinion that no culture has treasures so rich as art has. We have not recognized its value. If we do not follow our culture, we will become a society as well.
or the textile strike. This is, guys, our history. આ બધું હિસ્ટ્રી છે જે આપણે બધું હિસ્ટ્રીમાં કીધું હિસ્ટોરી
Stones can be page animals. What are these stones?
સત્યાગ્રહ Guys, I'm trying to take the content. The civil disobedience movement. Oh yes. The jail life. The Yerawada jail. Guys, the Yerawada jail. 18th March. What history, man. This is all history. Mahatma Gandhi's message. Guys, the non-cooperation movement. Guys, what is democracy? The Rowlatt Act. Oh my god, I can't believe. The foreign clothes. The Chori Chora Act. अरे चौरी चौरा try guys, this is all history. कस्तूरबा गांधी जी एंड आश्रम. गाइस, हमने आज मुझे पता चला कि हमने कितना हिस्ट्री पढ़ा है और हमने हिस्ट्री ने हमारे दिमाग की वाट लगा दी थी.
हाँ, टॉयलेटનું માપ લઈ લેવા ને ટોયલેટના દરવાજાનું માપ નહીં મળશે.
The dates, oh my god, हिस्ट्री में डेट्स हमने कितना याद करना पड़ता था.
हाँ
ओ माय गॉड. 1947, 1987, 1999.
તો પેલો બનાવવાનો છે કાપેલો છે
The economic justice.
કરશે ને આખું કાચ ફિટ કરશે સુરત કાચ
The salt act. The salt tax, guys. The salt act. कितने सारे हैं.
હા અનિલ આવેલો છે કે પછી અનિલ છે શું પૂછ તો ખરો અનિલ આવ્યો છે ચશ્માવાળો
Yeah, the salt act. I told you na, guys. 241 mile long march for a handful of salt.
અનિલ નહીં અનિલ ઓનર નથી અનિલ મેન કામ કરવા વાળો છે
Oh my god.
ઓનર નથી કરે છે પણ આ
History.
બેસે ને તો તરતા તરત
History. एक second. 1 minute. Dandi March. The struggle behind the Dandi March, the British colonization. Who took over the leadership after Gandhi ji was arrested. बाप रे कितना सारा हमने हिस्ट्री पढ़ा ब्रो.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
This shows that history was beautiful, was interesting, was nice. Before leaving the ashram,
અનિશા હું પહેલે જરાક લઈ આવું
we just finished with the ashram. It was good experience. Got to know a lot about Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, what he did for the country, and got to know about a lot of history which we did in school.
હલો
So it was a good experience. I would say that you all should visit once at least if you all come to Ahmedabad. Mummy, how was your experience? You liked the ashram?
તો મને ના ફોટા માંગે
So now we are on our way back. Now we are going to a temple,
સ્વામિનારાયણ
Swaminarayan Temple, which is a very beautiful and a very famous temple in Ahmedabad. Our second destination before we take a break in the afternoon because it's already 12:30 and it is said that 2 to 4 you should be inside because it is too much of heat. So yeah. So we went to the mandir, but unfortunately the mandir was બંધ.
કાલે આપણે જશું મંદિરમાં કાલે જવાનું છે એને ના બોલાવતી તેના અલકાની પાસે
हाँ, तो the mandir was shut. Obviously in the afternoon the mandir बंद हो जाता है. I'm so obsessed with these Kashmiri jhumkas these days. Anyways, so the mandir was band, so we unfortunately couldn't go. So opposite our hotel there is a mall. So we came to the mall. We didn't shop much, but just we took pani because we are very thirsty. हाँ, प्यासा को पानी पिला दो. And now we are sitting at McDonald's. So we are eating and then we'll go back to the hotel, take some rest, and then we'll again go out in the evening because in the afternoon it is very very hot. The sun is maddening. The heat is maddening. So yeah. So in the evening we are going where? I will not tell you all. You guys see. Okay? So till then, stay tuned. See my mother, what is she doing? Mummy, what are you doing? Mummy, what are you going to eat?
French fries and patty.
Are you enjoying Ahmedabad? Are you
Yes.
liking it? But how about the heat?
Mad wind.
So, what do you want to say about the heat?
Mad wind. Stay away. Stay in the hotel in the afternoon. Don't venture out.
My mom's Hindi. Sorry, English. My mom's English is next level because she is MD's secretary, na.
No, don't go on doing this. Please, please.
So, guys, we finished eating our lunch. We shopped a little from Reliance and we ate at McDonald's and we came back to the hotel. We changed. I changed into my comfortable PJs. We are now relaxing. Okay. And I'll be sleeping for a while. And
I don't want
then
that. I want proper work to be done.
we'll get up and then again we'll go out. So I'll see you in the evening, guys. So bye. So we took rest, we got ready, and now we are currently in the rickshaw going on the way to the stepwell, Adalaj stepwell. And with me is my sexy, my one and only you. Outfits changed. Mummy, show your outfit.
Hey, come on.
We both are wearing green and this is wearing blue. So yeah, we are on the way. We are in the rickshaw. We will see the Narendra Modi Stadium. Let's see. So yeah, I will be posting all the photos and videos, so have a look. Don't forget to watch the vlog till the end. Okay? So stay tuned. So there, right there, the goal is the very famous Narendra Modi Stadium.
This is Amul factory.
So if anybody comes to Ahmedabad and there is a match, please, please, please go. Don't be foolish like me and not go to watch the match. This is basically the stepwell. You have to go inside. We can't go inside, but unfortunately it is shut. 6 વાગ્યા પછી everything over here becomes closed, so can't go inside. So that is why from outside only I'm taking the video.
1500 સેન્ચુરી પહેલા
1500 century.
સાત છે એમાંથી પાણી આવતું 7 દરવાજા છે
અને કારીગરી જો ને મમ્મા. મમ્મી નહીં જવા દેશે, જવા દો ખાલી ફોકટમાં.
બીજા ફોરેનર પણ હતા એ પણ ઊભા હતા એમને ના જવા
we finished with the step well. Unfortunately, the step well was closed. This man doesn't guide us properly. He is to be blamed all the time. He doesn't tell us properly. He doesn't guide us properly. He is not a good guide.
ગાઈડ નથી.
He is to be blamed. Hi बोलो. ठीक है. आप फेमस हो जाओगे मेरे व्लॉग में. तो now we are on the way to
Modi Stadium.
yes, Narendra Modi Stadium. And I am so glad that I'm so happy that Narendra Modi Stadium I'll be seeing. And stepper was band, so don't go past 6. Go before 6, but don't go past 6 because 6 बजे के बाद वो बंद हो जाता है. So yeah, हाँ, हमारा पैसा वेस्ट हुआ. हमारा इधर आना मतलब वहाँ से फ्रॉम द होटल टू योर 17 किलोमीटर्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस गाय गॉट वेस्टेड. तो द फेयर पैसा जो आज पैसा है रिक्शे का भाड़ा वो ये बंदा देगा.
હાય.
ठीक है. I am not going to pay, neither my mom is going to pay.
Neither also.
ये भर से आ जाए. He will pay. So now we are on the way. We will see the Narendra Modi Stadium. Shri Shri Narendra Modi ji का stadium हम
મોદી
देखेंगे.
સ્ટેડિયમ જોઈ લે. તારે જોવું હતું ને? બસ.
Worth it. Worth it.
વર્ધી ડેમ તારે આવવાનું.
हाँ. તો આપણે તે સ્ટેડિયમ જોશું પછી આપણે રતન પોલ જોશું ફોર શોપિંગ because shopping is never less for my mom and myself. Okay, see you guys. ભાઈ
રાખશે ઊભી રાખશે ત્યાં જ જાય છે.
નરેન્દ્ર મોદી સ્ટેડિયમ ગાઈસ પૈસા વસૂલ અમદાવાદ આકે
ઉતરશું.
એ મારો ફોટો લે. Guys, this is Narendra Modi Stadium by Shri Shri Narendra Modi, built by Shri Shri Narendra Modi.
હા 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 અહીંયા જ ઉતર. ખાલી ફોટો
ચાલની
પાડ.
ઉઠની
So we finished with the photo session and seeing the Narendra Modi Stadium. पैसा वसूल हो गया coming to Ahmedabad. I took the jersey also of Gujarat Giants, Titans.
ગુજરાત જાયન્ટ્સ.
And बोल શું બોલતો હતો? બોલ. Gujarat Titans. And I'm very very happy. Very 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 happy. And now we are going to Ratanpol for shopping. So see you there. Our day has almost ended. We are now eating dinner. My mom is having soup. He is also having soup.
મને નથી આવું બોલો.
મોરલમ એને મને ફેમસ નથી બનાવવું.
મારે બધું પણ.
So we are at the restaurant having dinner. And yeah, and then we'll go to the room
लोग पसंद नहीं
and take some
पसंद
rest.
જ નથી
And then, yeah, it will be the end of the day. So see you after dinner, guys. Cheers. Bye. So our day has finally ended. We came to the room. We ate our dinner. The dinner was fantastic today. My friend Akshay has gone back home, and now we are resting, chilling in the room, watching TV. And now it's time for me to end the vlog. So the day 2 in Ahmedabad comes to an end. Today was a really good day. I got to see Narendra Modi Stadium. I got to click pictures over there. So I'm really really thankful. अंदर तो जाने नहीं मिला because obviously match नहीं था, तो जाने तो नहीं मिलेगा अंदर. But at least I got to see the pictures. I got to take few pictures over there, and I also बाहर there were people selling jerseys. So I took Gujarat Titans ki jersey. So I'm very happy, and I will be posting all the pictures and all the videos. The first day vlog at Ahmedabad, if you guys haven't watched it, go watch that vlog. And if you guys like my vlog, do comment, share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys, see you tomorrow and see you in the next vlog. Good night guys.